Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Zigbee based temperature, smoke and gas sensor using M80 Mega 328 and GSM module with SMS alert. So in this project we are using two parts. One is transmitter unit, another one is receiver unit. In the transmitter unit we are using three sensors: LM35 temperature sensor, MQ2 smoke sensor, MQ6 gas sensor and gas sensor, three sensors, and sending the data Zigbee XB module 2.4 GHz frequency 9600 baud rate transmitter and receiver, and we are getting the alert. A GSM SIM 800L we are using 16 cross 2 LCD display, and it is connected with the 8 9 13 12 11 10 RS enable D4 D5 D6 D7 A0 A1 A2 temperature sensor, MQ2 smoke sensor, MQ6 gas sensor, and receiver unit. It is connected with the power supply Zigbee module 80 mega 328 IC, and three LEDs: red LED 1 2 3, so temperature alert, MQ2 smoke alert, MQ6 gas alert. Green LED nothing, normal LCD display. So let us coming into the coding part here. Receiver unit 8 9 13 12 11 10 7 and 6 Zigbee. LEDs are 2 3 4 5. Okay, so if something should be, receiver will give the alert. Okay, so in the transmitter unit we are using temperature MQ2 MQ6. So let's start with the power supply. Two adapters we are using. Okay, so I am removing the power supply. You can see Zigbee based gas sensor, and here also we can check it. Zigbee based gas sensor, CO sensor and temperature sensor using 80 mega 328 SMS alert. So GSM initializing GSM modem initialized successfully. Temperature MQ2 gas, smoke and MQ6 gas. So here we are receiving the data. Okay, so after 10 counts it will send no alerts. Okay, green LED is on, no alert. So now I am giving gas to gas sensor. Okay, blue LED is on, MQ2 gas alert. We will receive one SMS alert also. Yeah, we received one SMS alert. MQ2 smoke alert. Okay, and I am giving the temperature through doop stick. Temperature alert. First LED is on. Temperature alert. First LED, and we received one SMS alert also. Yeah, temperature alert. Temperature alert. MQ2 gas alert. Again we are providing temperature alert. So first LED is on, and we received SMS alert also. Okay, after 10 counts it will say normal. Okay, normal LED. Now I am giving the gas, sorry, MQ2 smoke. Okay, MQ2, we received one SMS alert. Yeah, MQ2 smoke alert. So MQ6 gas alert. One 105 116. Array 121 MQ6 alert. So here third LED is on. MQ6 gas alert. Okay, and we received one SMS alert also, MQ6 gas alert. So thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS embedded. So here bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED. GSM SIM 800L we are using. So here we are using SIM 800L. Okay, Airtel SIM card I am using. Okay, so here LM35 temperature sensor, MQ2 smoke sensor, MQ6 gas sensor and GSM module, Zigbee module 2.4 GHz transmitter module, 16 cross 2 LCD display, 80 mega 328 IC. So here we are removing IC, here we placed the IC, 16 megahertz crystal. So LM35 temperature sensor, MQ2 smoke sensor, MQ6 gas sensor. Here also bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 330 ohm resistor and one LED, 80 mega 328 IC, 16 megahertz crystal and 16 cross 2 LCD display, Zigbee XB receiver unit, 330 ohm resistor, LED 1, LED 2, LED 3, green LED. Okay, so Zigbee based gas sensor, CO sensor, temperature sensor using GSM SIM 800L. Okay, so initializing GSM modem initialized successfully. So temperature MQ2 MQ6. Okay, so here I am giving MQ6 alert, MQ2 gas alert, second LED is on, and we are received one SMS alert also.